trick. So this, I kind of messed up. I was doing watercolor and the watercolor bled, but that was at Hot Springs in Gila in New Mexico. And then this one is from Goblin Valley, and then this isn't really from our trip, but I like to draw. So I made up this girl named Ellie. And then I have this one, another random drawing I like to draw, or paint. And then my brother was watching a movie, Minions, and so I was just watching it with him, and so I drew that. And then this is another painting, and it is Yosemite. This one is Grand Canyon. So yeah. I worked really hard on this. It took me 2 days. But I first sketched it. That's how I start my my paintings. And then I used watercolor pencils. If you don't know what those are, they're pencils, and then you dip them into water, and then you can paint with them. And so it's like paint on pencils. You should check those out. They're really cool. And also watercolor crayons. But this is my drawing, my painting / drawing. But yeah. Hello, my name is Carter, and I'm going to show you the paintings and drawings that I did. First, I like Gila Hot Springs up here. I like Chiricahua and third, I like Brandon, Texas. And fourth is the Grand Canyon. Now, show me. I like the Yosemite drawing that I made. Not least is my football player. Bye.